back to our channel. I'm back with another front-end interview question, that is difference between display none versus visibility hidden. Okay, let me show you what we cover as part of this video. I'm going to cover how display none and then visibility hidden behave in terms of space occupation, DOM structure, child elements, performance, accessibility, and then I will show you some interactive examples. Okay, now coming to basic definitions. Display none completely removes the element from the document flow, whereas visibility hidden makes the element invisible but keeps its space. That is the basic definition of display none as well as visibility hidden CSS property. Now let me show you space occupation demo. That is, when we use display none, how the layout affects, and then when you use visibility hidden, how the layout affects. So let me show you when we select display none, how it behaves. So watch the middle box that affects layout. If you see, when I select display none, box 2 got disappear, and then box 1 and then box 3 come together. That is in case of display none. Now let me show you how it behaves when you have a visibility hidden. Click on this. You see, box 2 got disappear, but both box 1 and box 3 remain at their position. They didn't come close together. That's the difference between display none versus visibility hidden when it comes to space occupation. Okay. Now let me show you the key differences between display none versus visibility hidden. Coming to space occupation, display none completely removes the element from the document flow. It takes up no space. Okay. Whereas visibility hidden keeps the element in the document flow. It still occupies its original space, just becomes invisible. Okay. That's about space occupation. DOM structure. Display none removes the element from the render tree entirely, whereas visibility hidden keeps the element in the render tree but makes it transparent. That's about DOM structure. Next, child elements. Okay, display none affects all child elements. They are also removed. But in case of visibility hidden, child elements can be overridden by using visibility visible property. Okay, coming to performance impact. Display none can trigger layout recalculation, that is reflow, when toggled. But visibility hidden typically triggers a repaint, which is less expensive. The final difference, screen readers, that is accessibility. Display none removes elements from screen readers, whereas visibility hidden may still be announced by some screen readers. These are the differences between display none versus visibility hidden. Let me show you how display none and then visibility hidden behaves when we have a parent-child combination. Okay, child elements can override visibility hidden but not display none. Let me show you how. So let's say when you set display none property to your parent, and it removes the child as well, the child of your parent, the as well, when you use display none. Let me show you. If I click on this, see, that means when you use display none, it even removes child elements along with your parent. But in case of visibility hidden, there is a possibility where child elements can override visibility hidden, so that even when you set visibility hidden to your the parent element, child element still visible. Okay, that's about child elements behavior in case of both display none as well as visibility hidden. Now coming to performance implications. Display none triggers reflow, that is layout recalculation. It's a more expensive operation and it affects surrounding elements. Okay, use display none only for permanent hiding, that is for display none. Coming to visibility hidden triggers repaint, which is less expensive operation compared to reflow. Visibility hidden shows doesn't impact your layout. Use visibility hidden for temporary hiding. Okay, that's about the performance implications of both display none as well as visibility hidden. Now coming to when to use each method. Use display none when you want to collapse the space, when you want to conditionally render the content, when you want to build responsive layouts, to create show hide functionality, and then to remove from accessibility tree. That's about display none usage. So now coming to visibility hidden. Use visibility hidden when you want to maintain layout spacing, creating fade animations, to temporarily hide content for better performance when you use frequent toggling. Child elements need to override. Okay, these are the cases when you can use visibility hidden. So coming to the final summary, remember display none equals to complete removal from layout. Visibility hidden equals to invisible but space preserved. Coming to performance, you choose based on your use case, reflow versus repaint considerations. Coming to accessibility, when you are selecting display none or visibility hidden, consider screen reader impact. Okay, that's about the final summary. That is all about the differences between display none versus visibility hidden. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.